the PVT, I can actually generate a typical PVT, like for example, this one, launch PVT designer. Okay, and then we are inside PVT designer. Currently, I only have water. Here, you can see the pressure, formation volume factor for water, and then viscosity. Just add for oil. Okay, number of values. Okay, 20. Minimum, let's check. Yeah, 14.7 psia to 2500. Everything else we use standing first. Temperature okay, specific gravity for oil. Okay, we can use this one. Specific gravity for gas, maybe 0.7 or 8. Click OK first. Okay, now you have typical, maybe you can call typical oil, and then gas. Okay, 14.7 and then 2500. It will be dry gas. Specific gravity, okay. Specific gravity maybe 0.8 also. At least we have this one for starter, okay. Water, gas, oil, okay. It will be automatically stored in the model designer. So if you go back to model designer, you already have this one, oil, gas, and water.